is Melanie Engel from Flamingo Beach Realty, the top luxury brokerage here in the beautiful Guanacaste, Costa Rica. Today we are in Mar Vista, a gated community here in Playa Flamingo. We are at one of the top houses, one of the most beautiful houses I have ever seen. It's called Casa Seahorse. It's 4,500 square feet, has 4 bedrooms, each with their own ensuite, 2 guest bathrooms. It's got incredible features. I can't wait to show you. Enjoy this beautiful property tour today. Casa Seahorse was designed to entertain a lot of people. You've got this huge living room and dining room. What I love most is all of this furniture. It is handcrafted with local woods. Casa Seahorse wins for the most beautiful kitchen award. All of the cabinetry was handcrafted. This beautiful design was carved out by the architect. You've got white countertops, and again, everywhere you look, ocean and mountains. Casa Seahorse was designed for this indoor-outdoor living. It's got this huge outdoor living room and kitchen. Here you've got a wine cooler, all these beautiful cabinetries, a bull barbecue, a bathroom with a full shower, and it's the most amazing view of the ocean and the mountains. The infinity pool here at Casa Seahorse is nothing but dreaming. Here you overlook the ocean, you see multiple beaches, you can see Flamingo, Prieta, Panca, you can see all the way to Las Catalinas, you see the islands, you see the mountains. It's absolutely incredible. House is an open living area, so you have all this huge social area. Then we're going to head and check out the bedrooms. You've got 2 bedrooms downstairs, 2 bedrooms upstairs. There's a master down, a master up, a guest down, a guest up, and we also have a gym. Come check it out. The guest bedroom downstairs has travertine floors, gorgeous stucco, Venetian stucco, beautiful furniture from local hardware, and again, an ensuite bathroom where you've got a stone sink, a huge rain shower that overlooks the ocean, and patio doors to take you out to the pool. Here in the downstairs master, you've got a king bed. Check out this artwork that the local architect did. It's simply stunning. You've got this handcrafted wood bed. It overlooks the ocean, and you've got a beautiful spa-like ensuite where you've got double rain showers, double sinks, and beautiful ocean views. This stairway is absolutely stunning. You've got travertine glass, and Venetian stuccos, and beautiful windows. Let's go to the second floor. Welcome to the second floor master, the crown jewel. Here you've got this incredible artwork piece. It's simply stunning, handmade by the local architect that built this house. Handcrafted wood beds, a closet that goes on forever, travertine bathrooms with double massive rain showers that overlook the ocean, stone sinks, and best of all, patio doors that open up to this incredible ocean view. and a second guest bedroom on the second floor. Each bedroom is so unique. I think this artwork might be my favorite with the 3D fish, again made by the local artist, the architect. Here you've got also the ocean views, the patio doors, queen bed, ensuite bathroom with a gorgeous shower that overlooks the ocean, and you've got the stone sink as well. Casa Seahorse has converted their 2-car garage into a gym. There's plenty of space here on this 1.25 acre lot to add another garage, but here you can have amazing workouts. Casa Seahorse is located in Mar Vista, a 750-acre luxury gated community here in Playa Flamingo. Here we're close to many of the expat schools. There's great hospitals, you're close to the marina, wonderful restaurants. There's an amazing restaurant inside here called Gracia, hiking and biking trails throughout. There is tennis and also a gym. This is an amazing place to live or to come for vacations. I'm excited to share the Flamingo Marina is close to this property. Here it's been open since 2023. You've got great restaurants, amazing shops, and 92 boat slips. This is the best place to rent a catamaran or rent a sailboat or go fishing for the day. Casa Seahorse is less than a 5-minute drive away from this beautiful white powdery South Sand beach. Playa Flamingo is a mile long. It's amazing for beach walks, for swimming. It's great for stand-up paddleboarding and snorkeling as well. If you would like this paradise to be yours, please check out my website, flamingobeachreality.com, or give me a call on WhatsApp. I would love to tell you all about Casa Seahorse, all about Playa Flamingo, and how amazing Costa Rica is. Pura vida.